Hi guys, welcome to our channel, The Mechanics of Making Money. Today we're diving into the exciting world of selling digital products on Gumroad, a platform that's been a goldmine for many. Imagine making over $100 a day every day starting out. Now, is an income that will increase as you go. Sounds too good to be true? Well, buckle up, because we're about to show you how someone turned a simple ebook into more than a $72,000 payday on Gumroad. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss this. First things first, what is Gumroad? Well, let's dive into that. Picture an online marketplace bustling with creativity and innovation. That's Gumroad. It's a platform designed for creators like you and me to sell our unique products directly to consumers. And when we say products, we're talking about a wide range. From digital art and music to software and online courses, the sky's the limit. But what makes Gumroad stand out is its simplicity and ease of use. With just a few clicks, you can set up your own online store, price your products the way you want, and start selling. No need to worry about payment processing or distribution. Gumroad has got you covered. The best part? It's especially great for digital products. You create something once, upload it, and it can be purchased and downloaded by people all over the world. It's that simple. Now that you know what Gumroad is, you might be wondering, how can I use it to make money? Let's dive into a real-life example of someone who made over $72,000 by selling an ebook on Gumroad. Picture this, an individual with a knack for digital marketing and a passion for sharing knowledge. They noticed a gap in the market, a need for a comprehensive guide on how to make $100 a day via Twitter. And so, they decided to write an ebook. Their book wasn't just a collection of common knowledge or easily Googled tips. Instead, it was a treasure trove of tried and tested strategies, first-hand experiences, and actionable advice. It was a product of value, and that's the first lesson here. Your digital product must offer real, tangible value to your customers. Now, having a valuable product is one thing, but getting it in front of the right eyes is another. This is where marketing comes in. Our successful seller didn't just put their ebook up on Gumroad and hope for the best. They leveraged the power of social media, their personal network, and even reached out to influencers in their niche. They created an engaging sales page on Gumroad, highlighting the benefits of their ebook, and set a competitive price point of $199. The result? A flurry of interest, sales, and positive reviews. In fact, the ebook garnered 365 reviews, an impressive feat that not only boosted its visibility on the platform but also served as social proof, encouraging more customers to purchase. Now, if you're doing the math, you'll realize that with each sale, our savvy marketer was making close to $200. Multiply that by the number of reviews, and you're looking at an income of over $72,000. Then think, they made more than that because not everyone will leave a review that ebook. Let's pause for a moment to let that sink in. Over $72,000 from just one digital product. Yes, it took effort, time, and strategic thinking, but the payoff was well worth it. As you can see, with the right product and marketing strategy, you can make a significant income on Gumroad. You might be thinking, I want to start making money on Gumroad, but where do I start? Well, don't you worry. First things first, you need to set up an account. Head over to gumroad.com and click on the Start Selling button. You'll be prompted to enter some basic information like your name, email, and password. Once you've got your account set up, it's time to create your first product. Click on the Products tab, then Add a Product. From here, you'll choose the type of product you're selling, whether it's an ebook, a digital course, or even a piece of software. Next, you'll provide some details about your product. You'll need to give it a name, set a price, and upload your product file or link. Don't forget to write a compelling description that really sells the value of your product to potential customers. Now you're ready to make your product public. Click on the Publish button and voila! Your product is now live on Gumroad, but we're not done just yet. It's time to start selling. Share the link to your product on your social media platforms, your website, or even in your email newsletters. Remember, the key to selling is getting your product in front of as many eyes as possible. And don't forget about Gumroad's marketing features. You can create discounts, set up affiliate programs, or even send out automated email updates to your customers. These tools can greatly boost your sales and help you build a loyal customer base. One last thing before we wrap up, keep an eye on your sales and analytics. Gumroad provides detailed insights about your customers and sales, which can help you refine your marketing strategy and increase your earnings. And there you have it. You're now ready to start making money on Gumroad. To wrap things up, we've traveled quite a journey today, unpacking the potential of Gumroad as a platform for making money. We've seen how it's possible to earn a substantial income by selling digital products, and even got our feet wet in a case study that demonstrated how one can rake in over $72,000 from just a single digital product. Gumroad is not just a marketplace, it's a community, a platform that empowers creators. It's a space where your ideas, your creativity, and your knowledge can be transformed into a real, tangible source of income. By selling digital products like ebooks or online courses, you can turn your expertise into a profitable venture. Remember the ebook about making $100 a day via Twitter? That's just one example of the countless possibilities that Gumroad offers. With a little creativity, a dash of effort, and the right digital product, you could be the next success story, so why not give it a shot? Start exploring Gumroad today. Identify your skills, create your digital product, set your price, and embark on your own journey to financial independence. The road to making $150 a day or even more is paved with opportunities. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share so you see our future videos pop up on your newsfeed. Stay safe out there, guys.